The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra 5G launch is expected to happen in January 2026, with pre-orders likely to open shortly after the official unveiling. As per reports, the entire Samsung Ultra 26 series will be introduced globally before making its way to India. Within the same month, S26, it supports 5G connectivity, allowing for faster downloads, smoother streaming, and better overall performance when you're in a 5G-enabled area. Display around a 6.9 curved dynamic AMOLED LTPO panel. Some leaks say it will use co-coloron encapsulation display tech for improved brightness and efficiency. Refresh rate, adaptive refresh, likely up to 144 Hz. Processor performance might use the custom Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 or a similarly named made for Galaxy variant in many markets. Some regions may get an Exynos 2600 chip. RAM options like 12 GB or 16 GB. Storage likely up to 1 TB. Camera setup rear. Main sensor approximately 200 MP or at least a very large sensor for high detail shots. Ultrawide and telephoto. Leaks suggest a 50 MP ultrawide and a 50 MP 5 periscope zoom. Software likely to ship with Android 16 and the next version of Samsung's UI, for example, One UI 8 X. Charging battery around 5,000 mAh or possibly slightly more depending on region. Wired charging improvement. Some leaks say approximately 60 W wired charging. Design build. Thinner bezels, premium materials, perhaps lighter build compared to previous Ultra. Some leaks suggest the 3 telephoto lens may not be a major upgrade, or may even be slightly weaker in certain specs compared to previous models. Battery capacity, while some expect a jump, other reports say Samsung might stick with approximately 5,000 mAh, which many users feel is underwhelming given competition. Some features like very high charging speeds 80 West Plus or battery over 6,000 mAh are mentioned in rumors but not consistently. Because these are leaks, specs may change at launch or vary by market. Variant 200 MP. Main camera plus advanced telephoto ultra-wide. Setup means the S26 Ultra is targeting top mobile photography. The display upgrades brighter, more efficient panel plus high refresh rate matter for power users, gamers, and content watchers. The performance improvements chip plus memory plus storage ensure the phone stays flagship level for a few years. Better charging and battery help usability in real life, less downtime. Premium design elements add to the Ultra. Feel good if you want a top-tier device. Superior display quality and brightness. Rumors suggest the S26 Ultra will use a new OLED panel M14 with co-coloron encapsulation that delivers higher brightness and better outdoor readability. Better energy efficiency, so less battery drain when using the display. Potential privacy display features, for example, a Flex Magic Pixel that limits viewing from side angles. Benefit: if you watch videos outdoors, use the phone in bright light, or care about premium display experience, you'll see a clear step up.